Okay, so I circled 5 and 6 because I want you to try 5 and 6 on your own, right? I want you to try 5 and 6 on your own. But looking at these, we're doing the same thing. We are splitting this negative flip, right? So over here, I'm going to have a negative 30, and I'm going to flip this sign. The 5x minus 15 stays exactly the same. Over here, just write it. 5x minus 15 greater than or equal to 30. Okay? And again, any greater than is an or. Why does that help me? Why does it help me to identify that early? Because I know in my solution, down at the bottom, I will have an or. I'm going to have two different inequalities. Also means that my arrow should be pointing out. So if I look at this one, I got plus 15, plus 15. That is 0. So what's left is 5x. The negative number is bigger, so I put a negative and then subtract it. So negative 15. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Get rid of the 5. So x is less than or equal to negative 3. Again, so I go to negative 3, less than or equal, means it can be equal. I color it in and draw my arrow. X is less than or equal to negative 3. This one should be going the other way. Plus 15, plus 15. Draw my circle. Got 5x. It's greater than or equal to 45. Okay. Divide by 5, divide by 5. That cancels, and x is greater than or equal to 45 divided by 5 is 9. So my answer is 9. Greater than or equal is this direction. But again, x is greater than or equal to 9. Two different equations. It can be either or, right? On this side, we have an and. And tells me that the x is going to go in the middle, and my two numbers will go on the outside. Obviously, the small number goes on the left, so it'll look like that. Okay, but I split it. Over here is the negative flip. So I put negative 10, flip the sign, 2x plus 6. Over here, I got 2x plus 6. Just leave everything the same. Again, minus 6, that goes away. Got 2x is greater than, if they're both negative, keep the negative and add the numbers. So negative 16, divide by 2, divide by 2. So x is greater than negative 8. Okay, over here, minus 6, minus 6. Notice how it's always the same steps. We subtract 6 from both sides. 10 minus 6 is 4. And then we divide by 2 on both sides. X is less than 2. So I have negative 8. I have 2. Over here it says greater than negative 8, less than 2, so it's the numbers in between. When I'm writing it down here, the left number or smallest number goes on the left, biggest number on the right, and x is both greater than negative 8 and less than 2.